हमारे शॉर्ट हैंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सबका एक बार फिर से पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों, कल से दिनांक 18 तारीख से आप सबका एग्ज़ाम झारखंड हाई कोर्ट का स्टार्ट हो रहा है और अगले 7 दिन एग्ज़ाम चलेगा। तो आप लोग जिनकी तैयारी हो चुकी है, हालांकि इसकी तैयारी तो मैं पूर्णतः नहीं कहूँगा कि सबकी हो जाती है, लेकिन फिर भी जो बच्चे यहाँ जुड़े थे, पेड क्लास में जुड़े थे या किसी माध्यम से यूट्यूब से डिक्टेशन लिख रहे थे और जिनकी स्पीड अच्छी खासी है और एक्यूरेसी भी लगभग 100% ही है, वो बिल्कुल पॉजिटिव माइंड से एग्ज़ाम देंगे। ज़रा से इधर उधर सोचने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा। परिणाम आपके हाथ में नहीं है, आपके हाथ में आपका सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रयास है। तो प्रयास अच्छे से करिएगा और बिल्कुल सकारात्मक होकर के एग्ज़ाम देने जाइएगा। ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट हमारी तरफ से, हमारे चैनल की तरफ से। अब डिक्टेशन आज का लिखते हैं और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा एक बार पढ़ेंगे और चैनल को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा। ओके, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। It is further well settled that fairness of trial has to be seen not only from the point of view of the accused but also from the point of view of the victim and the society full stop. In the name of fair trial, the system cannot be held to ransom full stop. The accused is entitled to be represented by a counsel of his choice, to be provided all relevant documents to cross-examine the prosecution witnesses and to lead evidence in his defense full stop. The object of provision for recall is to reserve the power with the court to prevent any injustice in the conduct of the trial at any stage full stop. The power available with the court to prevent injustice has to be exercised by only if the court for valid reasons feels that injustice is caused to a party full stop. Such a finding with reasons must be specifically recorded by the court before the power is exercised full stop. It is not possible to lay down precise situations when such power can be exercised full stop. The legislature in its wisdom has left the power undefined full stop. Thus, the scope of the power has to be considered from case to case full stop. The guidance for the purpose is available in several decisions relied upon by the parties full stop. It will be sufficient to refer to only some of the decisions for the principles laid down which are relevant for this case full stop. Paragraph. In Rajaram case, the complainant was examined but he did not support the prosecution case full stop. On account of subsequent events, he changed his mind and applied for recall under section 311 CRPC, which was declined by the trial court but allowed by the High Court of Jharkhand full stop. This court held such a course to be impermissible. It was observed full stop. Paragraph. In order to appreciate the stand of the appellant, it will be worthwhile to refer to section 311 CRPC as well as section 138 of the Evidence Act full stop. The same are extracted here under full stop. Paragraph. By using the said expression any as a prefix to the various expressions mentioned above, it is ultimately stated that all that was required to be satisfied by the court was only in relation to such evidence that appears to the court to be essential for the just decision of the case full stop. Section 138 of the Evidence Act prescribed the order of examination of a witness in the court full stop. The order of re-examination is also prescribed, calling for such a witness so desired for such re-examination full stop. Para. It is therefore imperative that the invocation of section 311 CRPC and its application in a particular case can be ordered by the court only by bearing in mind the object and support of the said provision, namely for achieving a just decision of the case as noted by us earlier, full stop. The power vested under the said provision is made available to any court at any stage in any inquiry or trial or other proceeding initiated under the code for the purpose of summoning any person as a witness or for examining any such person in attendance, even though not summoned as witness, or to recall or re-examine any person already examined, full stop. तो ये आपका टोटल 520 वर्ड्स का डिक्टेशन था। डिक्टेशन को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा और अच्छे से लिखिएगा। डिक्टेशन बहुत आसान है। और देखिए वहाँ पे लीगल आएगा, जनरल आएगा, इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है अभी कि क्या पूछा जाएगा। अभी कल का एग्ज़ाम हो जाए इसके बाद ही कुछ कह सकते हैं कि क्या वहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।